Hello there YouTube artists, welcome back to my channel, and this is Teacher Don speaking. So for today, I'll be sharing with you what arrived in the mail. I've ordered this like 2 weeks ago and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So yan yung set of soft pastel pencils and also a brush, a paintbrush. And also I purchased this cute little correction fluid. I'm gonna share that later kung paano ko siya gagamitin or kung saan ko siya gagamitin. And actually this 5 piece of paper clips. So let's get on with it. Okay, so ito yung wooden brush na binili ko. It's actually made of nylon. And then yung set of paper clips para hindi pa rin yung sketchbook ko para nag-drawing ako. And also this special cute correction fluid for highlights yan guys. I think aware na kayo kung paano gagamitin yan para mas ma-emphasize yung mga white highlights sa portraits natin. And the main item that we'll be reviewing today, this is what you call the Engross Penart, and it's actually made in China. I was quite skeptical about purchasing this one, but dun sa store kasi na nakitaan ko siya sa online shop na nakitaan ko is actually maganda yung mga review niya. There are actually two kinds of this. Medyo magkahawig sila pero kasi ang mura nitong nakuha ko. Some shop sell it for like 300 plus, pero ito 200 something ko lang siya nabili. I think 285 naka-sale siya, so binili ko na. So it's actually it says pa nga dun sa description niya sa online shop niya, it's a chalk or sort of a charcoal colored pencils. So there. So isa-isahin natin siya. Medyo fragile siya guys. Kaya dinadahan-dahan ko talaga siya. Kasi nung na-receive ko yan, I actually opened this one right now. Hindi ko lang mapapakita sa inyo, pero yung white na pencil dyan, actually putol siya nung natanggap ko. Hindi siya naka-bubble wrap, so medyo nalungkot ako dun sa seller kung paano niya shinip yung item na yan. Alright, so there. It looks good in the hand. Kung hahawakan mo siya, medyo may weight siya ng konti. It doesn't feel na parang ordinary pencil. No, it's not. Medyo may weight yung ano na to, yung wooden type of pencil na to. Actually, I'm surprised when I received it because it looks really good and it looks good in the hand when you use it. So there. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna make some shading para makita niyo yung gaano siya ka-pigmented and actually yung itsura niya pag ginamit niyo siya. So yeah, medyo mabigat siya, tapos maganda yung pagkaka-imprint ng Engross Penart name niya, tapos nakalagay niya skin tints, tapos yung sa dulo nakalagay pencils. Engross Penart skin tints pencils. So yan, yun na yung sa ilalim, meron siyang parang color code, pero sa napansin ko hindi niya kapareho kung ano yung kulay nung lead or nung mismong chalk or pastel sa loob ng wooden type of item na to, ng pencil. So there. Mukha talaga siyang saucy guys pag nakita niyo siya, pag nahawakan niyo siya, it doesn't feel like it's a cheap set of pencils. So there you go. So I'm just gonna make this quick for you guys because I don't want to take much of your time. So let's get on with it for trying each of the colors of the soft pastel Engross Penart pencils. So there's my sketchbook. Oops. Alright. So guys, ingatan nyo siyang malaglaga kasi there's a tendency that for this type of item, since it's very fragile, na kung madodrop nyo siya, may possibility na yung sa loob, yung lid niya sa loob, baka mag-crack siya. So pag tinasahan nyo siya, sunod-sunod na siyang mapuputol. So make sure na iingatan nyo siya at huwag nyo siyang i-drop. Hindi siya mahuhulog, ganun. So there. And one thing pa that I've noticed with this pencils, soft pastel pencils, wala siyang name. No? Ang meron lang siya, actually sa box niya, kanina pinakita ko nga sa inyo, na meron lang siyang short list of color chart. Yun na yun. Pero wala talaga siyang number code or wala siyang name code for this. So, ayan. Say natin. It really looks nice talaga. So I will show in the description below kung ano yung shop na pinagbilan ko sa kanya, para hindi na kayo maghanap kung saan. And as of this moment, I'm not sure kung may stock pa sila na nito, pero there's no harm for checking it out. Alright, so there you go. So yan talaga yung mga skin tones na pwede yung nagamitin for portraits. Alright. Yan. And it was really so easy to shade lang. Parang parang nga lang din siya, alam mo yung charcoal, para talaga siyang charcoal. Na isang ganun mo lang, mabilis, makapal kagad siya. Tapos maganda yung pigmentation. Medyo high pigmented siya. So there you go. I just thought of going through each of the colored soft pastel pencils for your reference. Okay, pwede rin naman kayong maghanap sa iba, tapos just make a review of your own and then you share it to me, share it to others. Tingnan natin. I also encourage you guys to make your comments for questions about this for this kind of soft pastel pencils. Kung nakabili na kayo nito, ano yung experience niyo sa kanya, and kung makikita nyo rin, I'll be also posting here my IG page, my IG account. You can mention me and send me a DM there. Tapos, let's share about our artworks. Pakita nyo yung artworks nyo for using this if you already purchased it, and how did it turn out for you guys. So there. So medyo para mga more on warm colors siya kasi nga for skin tones. So I haven't tried it yet to blend each of this, of how it will turn out. But perhaps one of these days, other videos, I will share it to you guys. Tapos tong white, since hindi siya magiging visible dun sa sketchbook ko, I took a craft paper. So makita niyo siya. So yan yung white. Diba? Ang ganda. So hindi siya nag-smudge. Hindi siya nadudurog or what. Pero at the same time din, maganda. Mabilis siyang kumapit sa papel. So there you go, guys. It's just a simple review for this set of soft pastel pencils. This is my very first set of soft pastel pencils, and I'm so happy with it. So far, you can see there's some links. You can watch my previous videos about soft pastels. And thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. See you on my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified on my next videos. Have a good one. Take care, guys. God bless you. See you again soon. Bye.